assembly is conducted by students of 10B. Myself is Gauripriya S. Let us start our day by offering a prayer. Get ready to pray. കടാക്ഷങ്ങളെ ഞങ്ങൾക്കെപ്പോഴും സനിലാലംബഹീനരായൊരു സേവിപ്പാൻ ശക്തി നൽകണം. സത്യധർമാതി സദ്ഗുണങ്ങളാൽ ജീവിതം ധന്യമാക്കണം.
Life my happiness. Jai Hind. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 40. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40. Next.
It's about the morning assembly. I invite Abhinand to give a thought of the day.
You will get some ideas. Don't read failure stories. You will get some message. I repeat, don't read success stories. You will get some idea. Read some message. You will get some message. Thank you.
For vocabulary, I invite two new words to Priyanandan.
KIE, meaning a person who is new to an organization or an activity. I repeat, rookie, a person who is new to an organization or an activity. In Malayalam, Pudumukham.
Here Anjana comes with some importance of July 12th.
1691 July 12th, the Battle of Ogham took place. 1776 July 12th, Captain James Cook began his third voyage. 1913 July 12th, Serbian forces began the siege of Verdun. 1920 July 12th, the Soviet-Lithuanian peace treaty was signed. 1943 July 12th, the Battle of Kars took place. 1961 July 12th, the Indian city of Pune flooded due to the failure of Kadagwasla Dam. July 12th is celebrated as International Malala Day. Malala is a female education activist and 2014 Nobel Prize winner at the age of 17. Malala is a girl who spent her life fighting for the rights of children and women. And July 12th is also observed as Paper Bag Day to promote the significance of utilizing paper bag instead of plastic. Thank you.
Sujisha teacher, welcome.
തയ്യാറെടുപ്പിച്ച ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും വക ഒരു കയ്യടി കൊടുക്കുക.